Family and Marital Guidance, Unit 2, Marriage and the Structural Formation of the Family. Factors causing spousal conflicts. There are many reasons for spousal disagreements. Firstly, poor choice. Couples may rush into marriage despite differences in thought, education, or beliefs. One may overlook flaws due to haste and desire to marry. Regret follows later. Secondly, immaturity. The wife may be young and not understand marriage responsibilities, and the husband may be reckless. Thirdly, differing expectations, whether in thought, education, beliefs, or other areas. One partner might overlook the other's flaws due to haste and desire to marry, leading to regret later. Second, immaturity. A young wife may not fully grasp marriage responsibilities, and the husband may be reckless. Third, differing expectations arise when one imagines an idealized married life. Fourth, value differences occur. One partner may hold rigid values, while the others differ. Fifth, economic resources. Money often causes conflict, as lack of it can prevent meeting basic needs. An individual may paint an unrealistic ideal of marriage, exaggerating their partner's qualities. Differing values between spouses can cause issues. One may be conservative, while the other's values differ. Economic resources are often a source of conflict. Lack of money can prevent meeting basic needs, leading to disputes. Family intervention can also cause conflicts. A significant age gap between spouses often leads to problems. Intense jealousy, stemming from doubt and lack of trust, can create incompatibility. Poor communication early in marriage can lead to sensitivities between spouses and the conflicts between spouses. Sixth, the intervention of the families of the bride and groom. The involvement of the spouses' families in their lives can be a source of disputes and conflicts. Seventh, the age difference between the spouses. A significant age gap between them often leads to many problems. Eighth, intense jealousy. Jealousy is rooted in doubt and lack of trust. It manifests from one spouse's fear of losing the other. Poor communication and arguments early in marriage can lead to some personal sensitivities between husbands and wives. This results in avoidance and reluctance, unable to discuss sensitive matters, fearing confrontation. These topics grow over time. One spouse may choose a partner for money or status, putting personal interests first, which leads to relationship failure. This leads to avoidance, reluctance, and inability to discuss sensitive topics, fearing clashes, and these topics increase over time. 10th, the purpose of marriage. A spouse may choose a partner for money, status, or personal gain, neglecting marriage's true value, leading to relationship failure. 11th, family tension and conflicts. Researchers cite reasons like frustration, ego stress, immaturity, poor upbringing, weak personality, and unwillingness to sacrifice. 12th, a negative attitude towards marriage. Viewing it as a burden with responsibilities and obligations can make incompatibility inevitable. Researchers mention several reasons for tension in marriage: frustration, ego stress, lack of maturity, self-acceptance, poor upbringing, weak personality, and unwillingness to sacrifice. A negative attitude towards marriage can also cause issues, with one spouse viewing it as a burden with responsibilities and obligations. Such views can lead to incompatibility. Emotional and physical distance may arise if one spouse dislikes certain traits in the other, complicating communication. Success factors in marriage include relational aspects, family relationships, shared interests, communication, and role alignment. It is a burden that a person must bear, and it requires responsibility, burdens, raising children, and spending. If such trends exist, marital incompatibility is inevitable. 13. Distance can arise when one spouse dislikes traits, leading to withdrawal. Success in marriage involves relational factors, family ties, shared interests, and role alignment. Personal traits, income and profession are important. Marital satisfaction involves sexual satisfaction, partner behaviors, harmony, and expectations. Other factors include income, education, married life quality, marriage duration, ages at marriage start, and parents' marital success. Marital and family happiness involves employment, wealth, beauty, parental interventions, polygamy, and differences between couples. Personal traits, income and profession predict marital satisfaction. Sexual satisfaction and positive partner behaviors also matter. Other factors include income, education, marriage duration, and parents' marriage success. Marital and family happiness factors include wife's employment, husband's wealth, beauty, parental interventions, polygamy, and differences in perception. Happy couples focus on positives, while unhappy ones notice negatives. Factors influencing marital and family happiness include the wife's employment, the husband's wealth, beauty, parental interventions, especially from the wife's mother, and polygamy. Differences between happy and unhappy couples in cognitive aspects. First, selective attention involves perceiving messages. Happy couples focus on positive behaviors, while unhappy ones notice the negative. Second, beliefs. Happy couples hold rational beliefs about their relationship, especially intimacy, where enjoyment is mutual. Unhappy couples may feel one partner imposes the relationship and blame the other for shortcomings. Third, standards relate to how one views their relationship and partner's behavior. Happy couples have positive standards. Fourth, expectations are beliefs about activities that can be engaged in successfully. Happy couples hold logical beliefs about their marriage, especially intimacy. Unhappy couples may feel one partner imposes the relationship and blame them for shortcomings. Standards relate to how one thinks their relationship and partner should be. Happy couples have positive standards. Expectations are beliefs about activities that can be engaged in successfully. Happy couples manage these expectations. Regarding causes, happy couples attribute actions to themselves rather than blaming their partner. Happy couples have positive standards. Fourth, expectations are beliefs about logical, acceptable activities. Happy couples manage these expectations. Fifth, attribution of causes and responsibility. Happy couples attribute reasons for their actions to themselves and take responsibility, instead of blaming partners for failures. And this can be managed and achieved by happy couples, unlike what is seen in other couples. Fifth, the attribution of causes for events and responsibility. Happy couples attribute the reasons for their behaviors and actions to themselves and take responsibility for those actions, rather than blaming their partner for failures in their lives.